Hi again guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv back with another video, and today we are continuing on our updates of our 2K to 100K challenge, and we are going to do a brief update on Polkadex. As part of our 2K to 100K challenge, constant updates on projects we have invested in are going to be a key feature going forward. In this video, we are looking at the latest Polkadex updates, as well as where the PDEX token is going, or has been since we covered it about 2 weeks ago when we applied the DYOR risk evaluation. If you recall, Polkadex scored 75 points out of 130 on our DYOR score chart, which is a respectable score considering that the likes of Ethereum, Avalanche, and Cosmos are also within that same category. So in this case, Polkadex is in good company, and that might also indicative of the potential that the Polkadex project has got going forward. So on July 4th, 2022, the Polkadex team released the Polkadex Orderbook on the public open beta, a public testnet where Polkadex community can play around with the features on offer and provide some feedback. The open beta release marks the first at-scale application of trusted execution environment technology combined with blockchain technology. As part of the Polkadex open beta, a new public beta testing rewards program will come in to replace the private beta program. So why is Polkadex Orderbook so important to the Polkadex network? Well, as it's a flagship product offering, the non-custodial Polkadex Orderbook is a cryptocurrency-based exchange that enables high-frequency trading of cross-chain assets. It offers the best of both worlds by combining the speed associated with centralized exchanges and the permissionlessness and transparency offered by decentralized exchanges. In other words, the Polkadex Orderbook is bringing in cutting-edge blockchain technology with this layer 2 trusted execution environment, or TEE, built on Polkadex network. This is also the first time the Orderbook's trusted execution environment, or TEE, and blockchain are connected to each other in one release, kickstarting a new stage of Polkadex product testing, the Polkadex open beta. That's awesome. I think that's great to involve your community, because there are certain projects there who think they know the best. Well, from a technical point of view, of course you do, but when it comes to understanding the market, who best to ask than the market itself? So you go and ask your community, because those are the people who are going to use it and probably further grow the network effects of your network. So if you don't involve your network, you may run into issues. So heads off to Polkadex for trying to do this with their community. We will try and do a proper evaluation of that public testing, because when we tried it was a bit clunky and confusing, but I'll give it another go and see how far we do. I'll share the feedback with you guys on here. Anyway guys, also don't forget to click like and subscribe as well as smash that notification bell. And also please note that we are available on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is here on the screen right now. If you subscribe to us, you will be able to take advantage of some of the updates we post on Twitter, whereas waiting for a video to come up, it might take time and some of the information might be outdated. So for example, the last 3 updates we made to our 2K to 100K challenge, where we opened positions in the Graph Networks GRT token, on Akala Networks ACA token, and Polkadex. We first posted that first on Twitter before we generated videos. So please pay attention. If you've got Twitter, come and join us on Twitter so that you don't miss out. And we also can interact directly, whereas on YouTube, I try not to interact in case I put you, our viewers, at risk, where there are so many scammers on YouTube and you won't know who you're interacting with. So I would rather we communicate directly via Twitter. On Twitter, we also have DMs, which is great. So you can also call this Polkadex open beta, you can call it test to earn. So you can test the product, provide feedback, and you can earn PDEX in rewards. That's great, right? I think it's great. There are other projects again somewhere within cryptocurrency or on the blockchain that are doing exactly the same. Something that comes to mind straight off is MinSwap on Cardano. I think they did something similar, if my recollection is right, and I think I did participate in that and I got some rewards, provided some feedback, and I got some rewards for that. We'll feature MinSwap in a separate video as and when we open our position. We haven't done that yet. We will do so in the near future. So if you want to check some of the steps or instructions on how to take part in testing, in the testing phase as part of the Polkadex open beta product testing, please follow the link down below in the description. But here are some of the steps that have been outlined in one of their Medium blog. 1, creating a proxy or Orderbook account using your main Polkadex account. You will need to click the sign up button on the Orderbook login page and follow the subsequent steps. Step number 2, depositing token from your main account onto the proxy account of Orderbook. Essentially, this update allows you to deposit your balances onto your proxy account on the Orderbook TEE. You will have to find the wallet section and deposit your test PDEX Ethereum and DOT token. These are just the test version that you get for free. Okay. The release currently only supports deposits from your blockchain account to the proxy account. Support for withdrawals will be added soon. Step number 3, place limit orders and market for buy and sell trade. Check the graphs real-time updates. Check for order and trade history. Check recent trade events and cancel orders. So these are the things that you need to test for and provide feedback on to see if they are working properly or not, and provide your feedback in order for you to earn your rewards. And I think you won't earn the rewards instantly. I think this is something you will have to claim at a later date when that phase is implemented or is ready. So what is the value proposition of the Polkadex Open Beta testing program? Well, it brings full stability to products prior to mainnet launch. It fosters community engagement, which is always great. You can't buy community, you have to generate community, because if you buy, they will leave as soon as the rewards are finished. So you have to develop and keep your community stimulated. Finally, integration of community product testing. We think again it's quite great, because if the community says it's not good enough, you change. But then if you launch a project and community turn around and say it's not good enough for not using it, what do? You go back to square one and redevelop the whole thing. So involving the community from the off, it's a good idea, and credit where it's due. Credit to this team for what they are doing. I think it's great. So what has happened to the Polkadex token, that is the PDEX token, since our entry position 2 weeks ago? Well, our average entry price was $1.65, and we accumulated 64.45 units of the PDEX token in total at a cost of $107. We are still around the same price levels, with price still hovering around the same levels. A sign of stability? Not sure. Still early, but we certainly will be tracking the PDEX token's price movements all the way to our exit point. Now, what do you guys think? The first thing you should be thinking is click the like and subscribe button, as well as smash that notification bell. Anyway, has the Polkadex project caught your eye so far? Does the Polkadex project form part of your own portfolio challenge, or are you mirroring our own portfolio challenge? Let us know down below. Do you agree with our thinking that Polkadex will outperform during the next bull run or during the next bull runs in the future? Or could it go to zero? Comment down below and let us know. Until next time, guys, this was your 2K to 100K challenge update on Polkadex, a project we own as part of our 2K to 100K challenge, as well as part of our main portfolio. We do own Polkadex outside of these 2K to 100K challenges, all guys. So you know. Until next time, guys, this is FD signing out. Bye for now.